In this video, we'll break down what a board portal is, how it works, and share real-world examples and use cases. To start, if you've heard phrases like board management software, board portal software, or even digital board book, they all point to the same idea. So let's break it down. What is a board portal? A board portal is a secure online software solution that helps boards and committees manage meetings, documents, and communication all in one place. Put simply, board portals replace paper board books, long email threads, and scattered files. They bring everything into one secure collaborative workspace built for board members, executive leaders, and board administrators across every industry, with easy access to materials, streamlined meeting prep, and better informed decision-making. Now, before board portals, boards had to piece everything together. Printed board books, unsecured email attachments with sensitive documents, shared drives that weren't built for governance, and manual work to create agendas, manage votes, and finalize minutes. And today, board portals solve these key problems. Number 1, board portals prevent confidential board information from transiting through email or sitting in personal inboxes. Number 2, board portals create a single source of truth for board documents, decisions, and action items. Number 3, board portals prevent internal inefficiencies, no more manual updates to board documents or resending important materials after those updates have been made. Here is an example of how an organization might use a board portal. Let's take the example of a local nonprofit preparing for a quarterly board meeting. The executive director and board administrator draft the board meeting agenda. They upload the CEO's report, financial statements, and committee reports. Directors then get a notification, log in on their laptop or tablet, and start reviewing and annotating in one place. During that meeting, everyone works from the same digital board book. Afterward, minutes and follow-up tasks are saved and shared in one place. It's that easy. There are a lot of board portal options out there, so how do you choose the right one? That's where OnBoard comes in. Welcome to a single, secure source of truth that your directors will actually use. Reduce prep time, eliminate version chaos, and go into each board meeting with the clarity to act and lead with confidence. What really sets OnBoard apart is the way it brings AI into governance securely. Instead of pasting sensitive content into public tools, directors get a private, closed-loop AI inside the board portal to instantly summarize long board books, build agendas, draft minutes, and surface past decisions, all without data ever leaving the system. With the permissions, auditability, and ease of use boards need, OnBoard helps governance move faster without compromising control. OnBoard is consistently ranked as a top performer in G2 and Capterra, serving thousands of board professionals across multiple sectors, including nonprofits, finance, healthcare, education, and others. So, ready to move from what's a board portal to why didn't we do this sooner? Request a trial now and see OnBoard in action.